Watch out. The truth behind those Medicare emails and surveys. Are you getting bombarded with Medicare emails? Free kits, gift cards, quick surveys that look official? Watch out, those aren't really from Medicare. They're from companies buying and selling senior lists. You click, and suddenly your phone never stops ringing with sales calls. Here's the difference. At MedicareSelfEnroll.com, we don't send you emails. We don't call you. We don't sell or share your name. And we don't hound you. Instead, you compare plans from most of the major carriers, side by side, in one place. It's like booking a flight or reserving an Airbnb, private, simple, and on your terms. And if you've got questions, our FAQ Q&A is there 24/7 with straight answers. So next time one of those shady emails shows up, hit delete, and take control at MedicareSelfEnroll.com.